Hi to all, this is Charanjay from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I done a Telegram chatbot using Firebase and API fetching using nodejs. Here I written a code on nodejs. This three lines tells about how we have to install the libraries which are used for the Firebase and the Telegram bot. After that, here I written a token. We have to write our token. We can create a token using a father bot. After that, we have to uh, in Firebase we have to generate a service account. I write this is my key. This is my service account. I named as a key.json. Here I mentioned here. After initializing the Firebase admin, we have to link our chatbot with our local server. This command start gives when we start the command. This was displayed, and I will show later how it works. And whatever we text a message displayed here. Here the console.log message denotes about the incoming messages to the console for debugging purpose to know how it works, who entered. I will show for you. And this is my weather API. Weather API. Here I created a weather API. In this website, I created a weather API. It is free of cost. This is my API. After creation of API, the data shows like this about the location, what is the current wind, etc. And this is the code. Here the body is converted into the objects. Here we can see there are numerous data present in it. I want some of the relevant data, so I take the location name, temperature, and wind and pressure and humidity, and it's stored in a variable. After storing it, I want to store it in my database in a non-SQL database. So it's the collection. I named I named the collection as Hey. Here I will show for you. Here we can see I written a Hey collection. There are a number of collections in a non-SQL, and in a collection we have a number of object documents. In a documents we have the key and value pairs. The schema has a different key and value pairs for every document. After that, when we add it, it will store in our Firebase. After storing, here I written a bot.send message. Um, when we when we text a location, it will display the location, temperature, pressure, and humidity. And if we type hashtag history, uh, if we tag hashtag history, it will display whatever we text. The previous data is displayed in our chatbot, and if any not non-location is sent, uh, we send a message called please enter a valid location like Mumbai, Delhi, etc. Now let's enter into our chatbot. This is our chatbot, right? I gave a name called weather.js. To write a node weather.js. Okay. Now I link to my DB bot which was created. Here we can see I created a bot. Just we can start. Here we can see when we start, it displays a welcome message called welcome to weather chatbot. And if you want the previous history, we can type hash history. This is my chat ID and it's my name. We can see who messaged, and if I want weather of Goa, Here we can see the location, the temperature, temperature, Fahrenheit, wind, pressure, humidity. Not only this, we can get anything. Here we can see these are some. We can get latitude, longitude conditions. Whatever we want, we can put in our code. And if I want Mumbai, Mumbai weather, here we can display here. And if I want Delhi, we can display here. We can see whatever we are typing, it's shown in our terminal what we are typing. And we want let me check the history, what is present, what we are typed. Here we can see our search history. We search the Goa, Delhi, Mumbai, right? We can see here. Let me check in our firebase whether it's stored or not. Here we can see this the Mumbai, Goa, and the Delhi. I think it's clear. It's stored, right? This is about the chatbot, and if we type any non-location like here, we can see it displays as a please enter the valid location like Mumbai and Delhi. This is the chatbot of Telegram chatbot using node modules of Telegram API and Firebase admin. Here I use the weather API, and this is my code, and I will show my weather API. This is my weather API, and this is each one, and that's it. That's it, my code. Thank you.